Hello students, let us see this question asked in JEE 2018. 2008, let us see here how to solve. Integration minus 3 by 2 to minus 5 by 2 x plus 5 by whole cube plus cos square x plus 3 x plus 3 pi dx. You have to find this one. What to do here? X plus pi. Let us take this is t. Let us take x plus pi is t. So why I am taking t? Because this is minus 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is there. And this is not looking proper, so I have to make it even odd power. So what I do here, if I substitute in the place of x, now let us take x is equal to, first point is I'll take minus 5 by 2. If I take x is minus 5 by 2, I'll get here the minus 5 by 2 plus 5 is equal to t. That is, I'll get this value is 5 by 2 is equal to t. So 1 plus this value is 5 by 2. So I am getting here 1 plus 5 minus 5 half. 1 plus minus half is 5 by 2. If x is equal to, if I take minus 3 pi by 2, what I am going to get here, x is equal to, what I am going to get here, minus 3 pi by 2 plus 5 is equal to t. So what I am going to get here, this t value I am going to get minus pi by 2. So you got, this limit is changed now. What is you got here, when I take x is equal to minus pi by 2, I got plus pi by 2. When I take minus 3 pi by 2, I got minus pi by 2. So I can write as minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. And this is I can write as t here. And you can see this one when I can say here, if I differentiate dx is equal to, here pi is 0, here this will be dt. dx is equal to dt I will get. So I can write with this one, this is equal to, what I can write here, this is I can write as dx. Wherever is dx is there, that I can write dt. T cube plus, t cube you got plus. What I am going to get, this one is here cos square. Cos square, what I am going to get here, x plus, this I will write 3 pi as x plus pi plus 2 pi. And this dx I can change into dt. Why I wrote here? That is x plus pi I took t. So I wrote that. So I get this is I is equal to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. I is equal to, what I am going to get here, t cube dt, t cube plus dt plus integration minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, and you know this is t, this is t. So I get as cos square t plus 2 pi dt I get. So finally the answer what I am going to get, I will explain right now, wait. So this one, take the screenshot of this. So what I am going to get, this answer is, what I am going to get finally, answer is, this is odd function. Let's see here, this is a t cube is odd function, so this is 0. So you got in the odd function formula, this is the formula you have. So odd function, that is becomes 0. So what I am going to get here, remaining thing is I is equal to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. I got as cos square. Cos, see here, cos 360 plus theta is cos theta again. So cos square t dt. Cos 360 plus theta is cos theta square is cos square t. So cos square t dt I got. Now what is the formula we have, this one, I is equal to, we can write as minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. This I can write as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 dt. Now apply the even odd function formula, that is integration. If you take the even odd formula, what I am going to get, even odd formula, that is according to this rule. This is the even, so I will separate this, okay. Integration minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. I will separate this one, I will get 1 by 2 dt plus minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. I get as cos 2t by 2 dt. I am separating this integration. So what I am going to get here, 1 by 2 will come out, 1 by 2 will come out. Okay, let's see here, apply. First you can apply even property. Property way you do it. Okay, do the property, even property apply. So this I will get as 2 times 0 to pi by 2. This becomes as, applying the property 2 times 0 to pi by 2, applying this property. So I will get 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 dt. So this 2 gets cancelled. I get integration 0 to pi by 2 1 dt plus integration 0 to pi by 2 cos 2t dt, cos 2t dt, 2t dt. And you know this value is how much? This is t, pi by 2, 0 plus this is cos 2 theta formula. Okay, integration, so cos 2 theta now don't apply, integrate this one. What is integration of cos 2 theta? That is sin 2 theta divided by 2, pi by 2 to 0. And this value, if I substitute this value, what I am getting here? Pi by 2 minus 0. After substituting upper limit, lower limit. Plus, what I am going to get here, this one if I substitute, I will get as sin 2 into pi by 2. Sin 2 into pi by 2 divide by 2 minus sin 2 into 0 divided by 2. That I am going to get. I am substituting upper limit and lower limit. Okay, therefore pi by 2 minus 0, the answer is pi by 2 plus, and this answer 2 gets cancelled. So sin pi is 0, 0 by 2 minus sin 0 is 0, 0 by 2, that is finally I get pi by 2. So this is asked in JEE 2008. By using this we have solved. Hope you understand. Let us see next question. Integration I is equal to minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 x cube sin power 4x dx is Gaussian. So you have to integrate this one. So minus pi by 2 plus pi by 4 means that is odd even function. Now tell me now, what is x cube? X cube is, see here, don't try to do many things. Okay, you want to do, okay, you can do like this. In boards you can do like this. F of x is equal to x cube sin power 4x dx. So f of minus x will be what here? Minus of, wherever x is there, minus x. Minus x whole cube into sin power 4 minus x. So what I get here? F of minus x is equal to what I get here? Minus x cube. Sin of minus theta. Sin of minus x is minus sin x. Whole power 4 you have. It means what I am going to get here? Minus x cube. Sin power 4 positive will get here sin power 4x. It means I got minus of f of x. Means f of minus x is equal to, I got minus of f of x. Means this is an odd function. Odd function means integration is 0. 0 is the answer. In easiest way I can say without substituting this, x cube is a odd function and sin power 4, sin x is the odd function, but sin power is even. So this is an even function. So even into odd is equal to odd. Already I explained in functions. So odd function result is 0. You can do like this in JEE, but boards you can do by this way.